Hello kids, welcome to my classroom. Today we will learn maths for class 1. Numbers. Write the number. 3 tens and ones में 4. 3 and 4, 34. 43 में how many tens are there? 4 tens. 1, 2, 3 and 4 tens. And 3 ones. 1, 2 and 3. 4 and 3, 43. How many tens are here? 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 tens. And how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 ones. 4 and 6, 46. How many tens are here? 1 and 2. Right? 2. 2 tens. And how many ones? 0. So 0. 2 and 0. 20. How many tens can make 22? 2 tens. And how many ones? 1 and 2. 2 ones. So 2 and 2, 22. Write the number in the given space. यहाँ पे नंबर लिखना है 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 tens are here. Write 5. And how many ones? 1. So write 1. How many it is? 5 and 1, 51. How many tens? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 7 tens. And how many ones? 1, 2 and 3. Write 3. 7 and 3, 73. How many tens? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 tens. Right? 6. And how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. 6 and 4. 64. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 tens. And how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 ones. 6 and 6, 66. How many tens are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8 tens. And how many ones? 0. 8 and 0, 80. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 9 tens. Right? 9. And how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Right? 9. 9 and 9, 99. How many tens? 9. How many ones? 1. 9 and 1, 91. How many tens? 7. How many ones? 4. 7, 4, 74. Watch this video repeatedly till you understand. Please subscribe my channel and motivate me to make more videos. Thank you.